more strange sounds reported. This time is from Kilkenny Island. The residents there baffled by mystery loud bangs heard around the city. Gardaí in Kilkenny received multiple calls on Tuesday night after reports of a loud bang in the city. Dozens of residents in the southeast county said they heard a strange loud bang around 10 p.m. The noise was believed to have come from near a cathedral in the city, although no damage was reported to the church, according to KCLR 96 FM reports. Many people who took to Twitter to question what the noise was, while some were so concerned that they phoned the Gardaí. One person said, "I felt it too, jumped off the sofa and outside to see what happened." Another person said, "The noise frightened the life out of them." Among the theories being branded around locally is that it was a sonic boom associated with the Perseid meteor shower. As we know, every August we have these shooting stars coming at us. It's said to be the best meteor show of the year. It was highly visible over Ireland on Tuesday and Wednesday nights, so it could have been one of these fireballs. Now, there were 20 times more meteors than usual in our skies on both nights, while Irish people treated to a free firework display because of the Perseid meteor shower. Now, if you heard this mysterious bang, please let us know. This by Cormac O'Shea, Irish Mirror, on Bended Reality. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.